They are ongoing problems. They're going to keep coming up. We're going to try to take a dead steel pull from here and at least make the siding at hole open.
You want me to line you into the siding at hole, you said?
Down. It's going to be a while before we get there either way. If this works or if it don't. But yeah, line up for siding at hole, and we'll ease around that way if it'll move. If it'll move, and we'll try.
Yeah, okay. Alright, taking it down south in the hole, we're lining the siding, and I guess if it doesn't move, you're just trying to get the train up to hole, not dumping anything?
Speed to dump, get it through hole for now, try again with different power or another time. What we have, he said, if this is multiple times faulting out, it's going to keep doing it, especially under any kind of strain.
Well, I guess we'll give it a shot, and let me know if it doesn't happen.
Plan C, I'll cut it. Still be in the siding hole.
Well, get you lined in there as soon as this thing times down.
Maybe helps out with a ride there, hole back to Greenwood. I think everybody's been had enough of it tonight.